everybody, and welcome to my video today. I am doing a little bit of a different video for you today. I am gonna talk about this printer and share a crafty little project with you, or I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna be using this, because this is a printer that prints and cuts, and you can make stickers. You can print photos. This company reached out to me and asked if I would want to review this. So thank you very much to the company. I appreciate it so much. I think this is going to be awesome. So the very beginning, I just want to share some thoughts as I'm unboxing it. I see a lot of videos where people just dive right in and they're making something. And I started to feel a little overwhelmed getting this out of the box, but it's really easy. So it came in this box, really nice box. And then here's the pieces. So the first thing is that when you open this part up, there's going to be some blue tape. And then there's going to be blue tape right here. You just peel that off, and then this tray comes out. And you want to, this is where the paper is going to go, the sticker paper or the photo paper. And I started to try to put it in this way and it wouldn't go. And so I was like, oh, it's really nice that I couldn't like shove it in and break it. It was like, it doesn't go that way. There's also, I noticed then, directions right here. And then also on the box that has the photo paper. This, I think, is the ink cartridge and the photo. So in here is the ink cartridge, the photo paper, and the sticker paper. And then you have the cord. And so there's also instructions on this box. This is where your ink cartridge is going to go. And if you are familiar with the Canon Selfie, which is what I have down here in my office, it uses the same type of cartridge, the same style. So it'll be really familiar. And then your cord is going to plug in here. So your paper will go in here, this tray right here. Your ink cartridge will go here, and then it's going to come out this end and cut, and we're going to see all of that. But I just wanted to share like the true unboxing of getting all the pieces out. It's so super simple. So let me get this all set up. I'm going to put it here on the corner of my desk because I want to be able to access it, and then like on a regular basis, and I'll get it plugged in, and then we'll do the next step. Okay, very, very easy. My ink cartridge is, and it's not really an ink cartridge because of how this prints, so it's not ink, but it popped right in, so that's really easy. And then these are labeled sticker paper and then photo paper, and then the photo paper is perforated, much like this Canon Selfie. I mean, it's very, very similar. So I'm going to leave these in the package just so that I know which is which, even though I feel like it's really easy to tell, and then I'm going to get it plugged in. All right, maybe one last view from here before I actually start trying to make something. I took the cover off, and this is where it cuts. So everything is already situated there. Now I need to take a look at the manual. The one thing I don't know is, do you have to change the blade out? Do you get replacement blades? That might be something that I need to look into, but there was some tape on here. So I took all of that off and opened this up, and then you turn it on right here, and I have it plugged in. And so I'm going to get it turned on, and then I'm going to jump over to my big camera view, and I'm going to show you the app, because that is where all of the magic, I think, is going to happen. And I want to take a look at that, and then we're going to make a project. So let me do that. I'll get it turned on, and then we'll look at the app, and we'll jump into the very next step. Hello and welcome to my video. I had done a few shots of opening up this product because I didn't see a lot of that online, and it did feel a little bit overwhelming when the box came. So you saw a few clips of me just opening it up and the way everything looks. We're going to jump right into a project using Liene PicCut machine. And this is a really cool product. This is a photo printer, but it is also a sticker maker, and it cuts everything all at once. So you have some photo paper, you have some sticker paper, and you can create a lot of different things. This is very, very cool. I love the fact that it's small. I have it on the corner of my desk over there, but I was able to very easily move it over here so that I could show you it in the frame. So it's really portable, which is really nice. So if you need to use this on your kitchen table or your desk, it's gonna fit really, really nice. I also really love that all of the places where you remove things is really easy. It opens really easy. The back where you're gonna put in your paper, where you put your cartridge for printing, it's all going to work really easily. So the next thing that you need to be able to use is the app. So once you get the printer and you get it linked to your you get everything linked, you can open up the app, and I actually was very, very surprised at how many different things you can do. There is some categories up here like home, birthday, anniversary, planner, and then there's some templates down here. You can do a different elements. I was really surprised to see Snoopy on here. So there's some different elements that you can do. There's, like I said, different categories. There's a couple different, like there's elements. Always the best thing to do when you are getting something new like this is to simply play around with it, to click around with things, to see what there is. I find that's the best way to use a new, product, especially if it's something like this. And this app is very easy to navigate. Like I'm having no problem sort of figuring out, what is what or where to go. There is also an AI element. To be honest, I'm not going to dive into that because I don't really care for AI. One, I don't understand it. Two, I always think of the Terminator and I just don't want to mess with AI. And then two, I just don't think it's necessary. I think there's a lot of other elements on here that are going to be much more useful than the AI. But if you are into AI, you can play around with that. So you click on a different category and then it brings up different things. Now, I will tell you, the thing that I am going to use this most for is going to be to create stickers. I think that's going to be amazing. We're going to look at some of that. I'm going to create something for that. But the thing that I'm going to use it most for is the ability to print my photos on sticker paper and add them to my projects. So I work in notebooks where maybe thicker photos, I don't want thicker photos in those projects. And instead of having to go to my computer, bring up another program, transfer my photos, do all of that, I'm going to be able to do that right here in this app. So I am going to set something up to cut, and we're going to do two things. We're going to cut some photos and print some photos, and then we are going to cut some stickers for a project that I think is going to work really well with this. So let me do that, and then I'll come right back and we'll dive into the DIY project. This was very easy to pick out a project that was already on within the app, and then it printed it out, and then it's just gonna cut it. And you can see I've slowed this down just a little bit because I just want you to be able to see very clearly how this cuts, but it actually is really quick. It cut within about a minute, and it cuts all around the image, and then it's very easy to pull up. Now, of course, with any cutting machine, I'm very familiar with Cricuts and Silhouettes. With any cutting machine, you may run into a little spot that doesn't cut all the way. Now, I did not have that with this particular sheet that I did of these cute little bees. They all pulled off the sticker sheet very, very easily. But as always, if there's a little snag, just pull it gently. This paper is like it's a little stretchy. I'm not sure that makes a perfect sense, but the sticker paper itself, you can pull on it a little bit and it's not like the paper that's gonna rip. You're gonna get that vinyl feel, and so you can pull these off super easy. So I just wanted you to see how well it cuts all around those images, and I really loved the way that this print and cut and how quickly it did both of those items. Okay, so this printed at first, and then it cut, and they are stickers. Look at that. How fun. They come off really easy. You have to be careful. This paper is really thin, and so you just have to be really careful when you're pulling them up, but they're gonna pull up really nicely, and then you have yourself a set of stickers. It prints beautifully. It cuts beautifully. I didn't see any issues with it at all. And I love that. All right, I want to give you my final thoughts on this. I really loved the way that these printed. I love the quality of the sticker paper. I think it's great. A very quick note is that your tray on the, when you put your paper in, it goes on the very bottom. So I'm assuming that this slot right here is just to store everything, which I really appreciate that when I'm not using this, I can have everything closed up and I'm not going to lose this tray. So just a quick note that that's where it goes in the back. And then, like I said, it's super lightweight. Loved the quality of this. And then you're just going to take a few minutes to understand the app and play with the app. And overall, I think that the app is easy. You're just going to want to try a few things. I'm very anxious to try cutting my photos on here and adding them to my projects, and you will definitely be seeing this in future videos. So make sure you check the information in the YouTube description box. There is a Mother's Day sale that is happening, and so there will be a link below. And again, thank you to this company who sent this out to me. I think that it is a fabulous product. I think it would be a great Mother's Day gift. This is definitely something that I would love if my husband would have purchased me for Mother's Day. Fun fact, the very first cutting machine I ever received was a gift from my husband, and it just changed the way that I crafted and my creativity. And so having a tool like this that is so easy to use is a game changer and can be a real game changer to your crafting. So I'm going to leave my photo paper and my sticker paper in the plastic just so I know which one is which, and then I'm going to leave this right on the corner of my desk so that I can continue to use it crafting. And like I said, the front piece here, I don't think you need to have this off when you're cutting, but of course I wanted to demonstrate that to you, and so I took it off. But it's super easy. It goes on very easily, and it's going to store very easily. So let me know if you are planning on getting something like this. If you have any questions, let me know, because I am happy to answer them for you. And then I will be doing another video tutorial once I have the time to cut the photos and show you that process, because I think for me, that is how I'm going to use this the most, is for the photo printing, and being able to print directly on sticker paper I think will be such a game changer for my crafty notebooks that I'm doing now, and keeping those notebooks thin and not having the very thick photos. I think that will be amazing. So thank you so much for coming by and checking out this product, and I will catch you in my very next video. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for checking out my video. There's 2 other videos here on the screen, and make sure that you check out the Liene print and cut machine. Thank you so much for sending me the product and allowing me to review it, and there will be more videos on this product coming soon. Thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next video.